to my channel. In this video, you're going to learn about laws of exponents, for quotient rule for exponents, and zero exponents. I have here x to the fifth power divided by x to the second power. X to the fifth power means x times x times x times x times x. And x squared means x times x, which means that I can cancel this because that's equal to 1. If I'm going to divide. So what I have now is x cubed. Now look at this one. I can find this x cubed without expanding. Given this, which means that I can simply subtract the exponent to get 3. That is, copy the base and simply 5 minus 2, that is equal to 3. So x cubed. It means that if you're dividing the same base, so I have a raised to m divided by a raised to n, you're just going to copy the base and subtract the exponent, m minus n. Now, if I have, that is what we call the quotient rule. Don't forget. Now, if I have 2 raised to the third power divided by 2 raised to the third power, applying the quotient rule, that is 2 raised to 3 minus 3. Copy the base, subtract the exponent, and that is equal to 2 raised to 0. What is 2 raised to 0? Is there any value for that? Let's see. Let's expand 2 to the third power. And that is equal to 2 times 2 times 2, right? And what is 2 times 2 times 2? That is equal to 8. So divided by 8, which is equal to 1. Which means that 2 raised to 0 is equal to 1. So any number now raised to 0, so if I have a raised to 0, that is equal to 1. So that is now the zero rule for exponent. So let's apply that. So simplify the following expressions. If I have here x raised to the 15th power divided by x raised to the 8th power, you see how convenient is the quotient rule? Instead of multiplying this 15 times, writing 15 times, we can simply subtract. That is, copy the base, x, 15 minus 8, and that is equal to 7. Here, there is a numerical coefficient here. So what we're going to do is just simply divide. 45 divided by 5, that is 9. And 5 minus 3, copy x. So 9x, 5 minus 3, and that is equal to 9x squared. 5 minus 3 is 2. Here, 10 divided by negative 2, that is negative 5. And copy m, then 6 minus 1, that is 5. 7 minus 3, that is 4. So I have now negative 5, m to the 5th power, n to the 4th power. Now, do you want to try this? If I have x raised to the 8th power divided by x raised to the 8th power, you know that if you're going to subtract the exponent, this is x raised to 0. And that is equal to 1. Or simply, here, for sure they are the same number, so divided by this, that is equal to 1. Next, 15 x to the 5th power divided by 5 x to the 5th power. So divide the numerical coefficient, 15 divided by 5, that is 3. And then subtract the exponent, copy the base, 5 minus 5, and that is equal to 3 times x raised to 0, and that is equal to 3 times 1, which is equal to 3. Or simply, you can do it like this. You can cancel this because they are the same, that is equivalent to 1. So just divide 15 divided by 5, and that is 3. Right? Okay. So now here, mn, and this quantity is raised to 0, which means that is simply 1. And here, b only is the one who is raised to 0, so we need to copy a. And then b raised to 0, that is 1. Therefore, the answer is equal to 1 over a times 1. Okay, so that's how you're going to simplify expressions that involves division and with zero exponents. Now, here's another one. Try this one. You can pause the video. Okay, if you are ready, that is 5x to the third power, or 5x cubed. Next, that is negative 8x to the second power, or x squared. Then here, that is positive m to the fifth power. So this one, I'm not going to subtract this equal to 0. I know that this is equal to 1. So I can cancel that right there. And that is equal to 1. Understood, here, there is always a factor of 1. So it means this one is 1. This is also 1, right? 1 divided by 1. That's all for this video, and thank you for watching. Please don't forget to watch my other videos about laws of exponent. Bye!